Zero to Hero, a series of videos showcasing Cisco's ability to deliver zero trust without complexity. This is the third video focusing on protecting a hybrid workforce. We're going to do some testing here. So let's test out that secure branch worker with DUO SAML integration with Umbrella Secure Web Gateway. We're going to follow best practice when it comes to TCP maximum segment size when using IPSEC. We're going to push those changes very quickly using vManage to a branch router. This could be one or many devices. And then we're going to test out user Karen's access to JIRA application and then browse to cisco.com. Let's see what happens here. So let's go ahead. We're going to run this DUO device script. What this is going to do is just update the DUO Health application on the asset that we're connecting from. Now, this would normally be done automatically, but because it's a lab environment, we're going to push this and enforce it now. Now we can see the installation package could not be opened. Verify the package exists, yada, yada, yada. This happens to be an issue with the segment size for TCP and using IPSEC. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and follow best practice, and we're going to modify that. So let's go ahead in vManage. We're going to go to Feature, and we're going to grab the dcloud sig tunnels template, and we're going to make a modification here and push this out. So we can see here that we're going to go ahead and edit. And in this case, mine says 1300, but it's actually not pushed. So we're going to go ahead and just modify it here. So we went to advanced. And let's scroll back up. And there it is. We're going to go ahead and set that and push that configuration out to the device. So I'll just set it at global. And set it at 1300. And we'll go ahead and save those changes. And that's really it. We'll do the update, and then ultimately what we want to do is push that configuration out to the device itself. Here we can look at the configuration before pushing it out. We'll go ahead and hit configure. This will go out and update that device. You can see it's in progress. Once it's successful, we should go back and refresh, and we should be able to have access without any issue. And I've already done that. So that was just showing you the TCP maximum segment size change. Now we're logging into the JIRA application as Karen. So let's go ahead, and you can see here we've got that multi-factor authentication. We're in the application. This is nothing new. This is stuff we've seen before. But now let's go ahead and jump into the web browser, and let's go to cisco.com. Now we're browsing the internet. Now we're accessing Umbrella, whether or not it's approved website, looking for the reputation. You can see here we've had to authenticate because it's not an open proxy. And look at that, we're on there. If we go to Google, you can see that that works as well.